Attribution? Psych.
Can you imagine?
Fuck the police coming straight from the underground. A young
Shit's on desk.
We just got out of the first train, so we have our first change now, and we're gonna take the train that goes straight to Edinburgh.
Right again. Ready?
Hi, Sean.
Hey, buddy.
Yeah,
I'm the selfie stick of the group, so...
Yeah. How can you be so tall?
It just turns out that when you drink enough milk, your bones stretch, and yeah, drink milk, guys.
For those who don't know him, he's a professional NBA player.
We don't talk about that, man.
Yeah, used to be.
It's too dark.
I don't know how to check the coordinates.
Hi. So we're currently in the train going northwest to Edinburgh.
Elevation point 100.20.30. We're approximately 58 degrees from the equator. And
Shit's on desk.
Can you imagine?
Boy, if you don't get... I think we're about 30 minutes away from Edinburgh.
you guys read books and you're gonna have a train like us.
5.50.23, 58 degrees from the equator.
Get all of it.
Right, so we just arrived in Edinburgh and now we're going towards the exit. We're going to the hotel to drop off our stuff. Then we're gonna go for a walk, maybe grab some food.
Turns out that we're 50.
This is so beautiful. I was talking about you, Sean.
Rightly so, man.
I just hope we find the right address, because if not, we're gonna go back to Manchester. Yeah. Sean, right, just jump in. Do it. Sean, what are you getting?
I'm gonna get the fucking buffalo fries. Let's get in that hot chick.
So we came to this vegan place and we're probably gonna try some vegan burgers.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
It's not vegan.
It is. The meat is like, it's not real, it's plastic.
The altitude is
Big cheese. Yeah, I'll have the same. Yeah.
sorry about that.
It looked like they made him in a back alley.
Thank you.
Thank you. Just finished. And now we're going to Arthur's seat.
Stop, don't.
So we're on this hill and we're trying to get up to Arthur's seat, and we're not sure if it is that way or this way, but at some point of the day we're gonna be up there. We can see a soft boy. We've almost made it to the top of the hill. It's just behind me, as you can see. The wind is quite strong, so I don't know about the sound. It's gonna be like clear or something, but it should be fine, I guess. My hair is all messy because the wind is blowing it away. Some are hurt, as you can see. But we're gonna keep going.
So cold.
Yeah, it is cold. We're gonna start going back down because it started dripping, so we don't want to go down the hill while it's raining, I guess. Apparently going down is way more fun than what I expected. Hi.
Hey.
My camera is dying and I'm probably gonna charge it once I get home. But yeah, mostly that's it. We were up there.
We're gonna go and get some coffee now.
Are we gonna go and get some coffee now? Give me a kiss, Arman. We're now in the center of Edinburgh, walking, and it's quite busy.
Yeah,
It's time 6, but it looks like it's 12. In the store now, we're gonna get some snacks. Yeah, we're all tired. So we made a small stop before going home. We grabbed some coffee. The new Starbucks menu is back, the Christmas one, holiday menus. So yeah, I got some gingerbread latte. Everyone's dead tired.
It's my life, it is now or never. I gotta live forever.
Could you shut the f up? I'm trying to vlog. I'll take that as a no.
Wait less.
Alright.
Wow!
I'm gonna go in there. Vlog. My camera died. I had to charge it. I edited Sean's pictures. Look what I've made for a desk, because like this room is just sleep here, I guess. So, and this is what I made for like my desk, because I can't live without Fortnite. Now I'm probably gonna take a shower and then we're gonna go and grab some food. Oh shit, it's wet.
Oh, no,
wait, is it wet? Dana.
Yeah, it was great.
The chunky boy. Wait, is that yours?
Yeah.
Oh, la 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 la.
You know, you're a bit of a douche, you know that.
But I'm mad, I'll be there.
So we're all ready. I had a shower, and now we're leaving the hotel to go and grab breakfast. Over the rainbow, so high.
Wait, keep it going.
Second. Castle is back there. We're not gonna go to the castle because it's quite late and I think it's closing down. We're probably gonna go tomorrow. For now, we're just gonna take some more pictures. So we're here in this Scottish shop and I'm gonna get a beanie because the wind is really strong, so I'm gonna need it. So now we're at the London Eye. No. This is London Eye.
Oh, that guy just shit on the desk.
We're inside this restaurant. We're probably gonna have some ice cream. I already had food from Sainsbury's. I didn't want to get any food, but I got this.
Beer romantic.
We're gonna go in a bit. We just finished our food and we're heading back to our place where we're staying. I don't know what we're doing after that. We're probably gonna have some food. That's gonna be it for today. Oh, the camera's flying! We're now walking back home. We stayed here yesterday, we're staying here tonight, and tomorrow morning we're leaving.
Let you even when you're blind in the darkness.
guys.
Why did you stop?
What the fuck?
Surprise, bitch! I really don't give a shit.
You can't take it. You can't buy drinks after 10 here. It's like some weird law. We chatted, and then I wanted to sip.
I'm gonna put pause. You know, I need to.
We're gonna play a quick game for a quick kiss with my friend right here. Alright.
Okay, go.
Is that right? Rock, paper, scissors?
Oh, fuck the game.
So I burped because this channel sucks. Subscribe to my channel.
3 a.m. And look at the time, like 5 minutes ago, and it was 2 a.m. What is wrong with the time? Yesterday they wouldn't pass in today.
It was weird, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, really weird.
I loved it yesterday. See you in a bit. We're at this brick place and we're gonna try gyros. This is our last day in Edinburgh, and after that we're gonna go to Leith and take some pictures.
What do they say? Behind the scenes. What
Behind the scenes, yeah, I was like,
What the?
bloopers. Got this pop funk figure. Go for it. Oh. Right, so we just finished eating and now we're at this port enjoying the view. Tour slide! Ah. We're gonna get off the train now and we're gonna go home. We're back in Manchester and now we're gonna go home finally. We're not walking. Wow, such an interesting vlog. The entire vlog was me saying we're gonna do this, we're gonna do that, and then we're just walking and all that. So